Alright, the first step is to open the tailgate. Now we're going to remove these two Torx bit screws. They're a T15 size. Once you have those removed, you can pull the taillight towards you until it releases from the truck. Now you can locate the reverse light. Now spin it counterclockwise to release it from the taillight. Now just pop the bulb loose. Now these are the fused 1400 lumen LED reverse lights. Install the new LED bulb in. Just wiggle and push it until it's all the way installed. Now spin it clockwise until it's locked back into the taillight. Now you can just push the taillight back into the truck. Now we just install the two Torx bit screws back into the taillight. And now you're done.